Let us come to the fourth operation, that is division. And here we'll learn about the division of whole numbers. We know that dividend is equal to divisor into quotient plus remainder. Now let us do an example, and I'll tell you what is dividend, what is divisor, what is quotient, and what is remainder. And then we'll find out as to how dividend is equal to divisor into quotient plus remainder. So here we divide 8 with 3. Eight is the dividend. Three is the divisor. Two is the quotient, and here 2 is the remainder. So let us put this in this equation. We have dividend as 8. Divisor is 3. Quotient is 2. Plus remainder is 2. And we find that 3 multiplied by 2 gives you 6, and added to 2 will give you 8. So therefore we understand that dividend is equal to divisor into quotient plus remainder. Please note it down. Now let us come to the properties of division. Let us come to first the closure property. Now let us take an example. If we divide 4 with 2, we get 2 as the answer. But if we divide 2 with 4, we get half as the answer, which is not a whole number. So therefore, we can say that division of whole numbers are not closed. Let us come to the second part, that is commutative property. And let us see whether A divided by B is equal to B divided by A or not. As we have seen, if we divide 4 with 2, we get 2 as the answer. But if we divide 2 with 4, we'll get half as the answer. So therefore, we can say that A divided by B is not equal to B divided by A. Or we can say that division of whole numbers are not commutative. Similarly, we'll find that division of whole numbers are not associative, because if we change the group in division, the result will not be same. You can take values and you can analyze this, you can find out the result, and you will see that this left hand side will not be equal to right hand side. So therefore we understand that division of whole numbers are not closed, they are not commutative, and they are not associative as well. So we learned about the various properties of addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division. Now let us see it once again. We learned that addition of whole numbers are closed. Similarly, multiplication of whole numbers are also closed. Addition and multiplication of whole numbers are commutative. Addition and multiplication of whole numbers are associative. But subtraction and division of whole numbers are not closed. Subtraction and division of whole numbers are not commutative. Subtraction and division of whole numbers are not associative. So this is how we'll conclude this chapter here. Thank you.